Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We'll be doing Patreon STL August 2024 Part 4. If you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out Patreon Discord. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer, and figure. For your 3D needs, all of the ones we're looking at will be in the link down below as well. So we start with Beast Area. This is like Dark Soul, Elden Ring style miniatures for your gaming needs for D&D mostly. If you're doing, there is an Elden Ring and Dark Souls RPG book that you can actually go and get from Amazon. So a big ass looks like a demon. Some of these you actually could probably proxy for Warhammer, but so far not really. Languid Worship. We got August the Second Son, Ritual Banshee Null, and Bistro Disembowel. I think this would be probably good for your Chaos Beast for Age of Sigmar, but don't really have a Chaos Beast army. I have a Skaven and Stormbreaker and the Orcs. That's pretty much it I have for Age of Sigmar. The Visitors, Darnborn Ancient, Stargazer Remains. This would be probably a kind of cool boss to have. Then usual heroes are Maiden Commander, Maiden Archer, Maiden Mage. And you can also get the story books and rule books for this as well. Next is Artisan Guild. We'll be looking at. It looks like we have more ocean, seaworthy things. We'll be skipping here and there throughout the video. So we have some merfolks. We have plenty of merfolks. I think a few years ago, I think they just came back. And it's also the summer theme too for the seas. So you're gonna see a lot of pirates and water creatures for your D&D. We got some merfolks, or you can call them Nagas. They're not really called Nagas, but I know people call them Nagas due to World of Warcraft as well. It was four-armed chieftain merfolk. We have the mer shark as well. Tide Rider. This is actually pretty cool with the sharks and riding on it. I like it, the hammerhead. We have some of them from the arch villain ones that were pretty good as well. You can get them regular ones as well without them being ride on. Like spellcasters, you can summon electric eels or summon swarm of eels. You got the sea giants that you rarely see in the game, and there are sea giants, and they're very like solitary, and they're very like they don't really mess with people. And your terrain pieces as well. This would probably cool to have, and you get your busts and stuff as well. Next is White Wolf Tavern. Another good one for D&D as well. Look at videos. You got Jesters. We got Spellcaster. Chilo. It's like a druid. We have a Iron Knight. That's actually probably good for a good quest night for the old world. We got Zoo Iron Lady. We had the Jester Killer set. It would be kind of funny if you actually mix with this with the Harley Quinns and 40k up a bit. You got more. You have the Dead Assassin set. These looks like the mask, the dragon mask from Skyrim. At least Assassins. Homunculus. This is probably a good one for 40k for the Dark Eldars as well. And your bust. That'll be for White Wolf Tavern. Next one's One Page Rules. This is like a good proxy for Warhammer Age of Sigmar and the Old World. Let me see if I can't really click on that. Here we go. We're missing 3 on this one, but we have the High Fleet Elves and the Shuttle Stalkers. Shuttle Stalkers like High Elves and Eldars, I'll say. We got some fucking what are these things called in Age of Sigmar? I forgot what they're called. Lizardmans. I know that, but more lizardmans the better. I would say the Shadow Stalker. So I have no idea what this one is going to be until I look at more closely. There's your Chaos Beasts, your terrains, your ships, your welcome pack. Okay. So I'm guessing these gonna have to be with the lizardmans. It's just they're undead. So I don't know if you can have them with 9 hots or just proxy them in. Is get a ghoulish looking dragon right there. But yeah, let me know if you have getting good proxy. This one's probably good for a 40k for it. So yeah, any more of those suckers proxies because I don't want to buy more. They're just getting more and more expensive. Even on eBay, it's getting more and more expensive, in my opinion. Anyhow, check them out. STL miniatures. We got, let's see here. Beggars release. If you're going to load Beggars, Beggars. I think it's Beggars. Holy crap! My mind is like, this looks like Link. I know there's a Beggars encampment where all the you're going to print some hobos. We've got some plat monsters and we have banshees. And they're very good too. They do a lot of detailing stuff for you know, pieces for terrains, and I really do like it sometimes. Like you got messenger pigeon, you have a bridge underneath a lot of gunk on it. So I think it's a very good one. Nom Nom figures are very good figures for it for this month. It is Sauron, Arturus, Sailor Moon, Fearin, and the Mimic Chest, and this is your bonus one. And I think also the welcome pack as well. This is the past month one. So you have you have a Lady Deadpool and everything. I think it's good. They give you a lot for just $10. September we'll have Doom Man, Lugia, Berserk. I have never read or watched Berserk. I saw clippets of it, but I might check it out. I don't know. But Lady Deadpool, if you haven't watched the movie, go watch the movie. The movie's really worth it. We got Chainsaw Man as well. Next is Val Victus Miniature. Good one for Old World and Age of Sigmar, I would say. You got more Skavens for your Old World needs. Some Nurgles, Chester, some extras. I use a lot of these things also for D&D as well. You got your Bay Victus. But yeah, I like the Corgis. Armored Corgi, regular Corgi with a knife. Titan Forge miniatures, another good one for proxies for Sigmar and Old World. So we have giants, we have trolls, and orcs, and also they do a lot of D&D stuff. We got some turtles, looks like elves, undeads, witch. What do you call those angels? I forgot they call those angels. Solaires, I believe. And you have your wizards ones as well. Yeah, check them out. They're really good. I do like the orcs. I do want to build more of my orc army for Age of Sigmar. But there's like 2 different types. You have the one that you always love and the one that like kind of make it look realistic. You're like, eh. Hell Creator, another good figure ones as well. We have the second one, and this one is V. This was Jackie Wally, probably from Cyberpunk. So this is August plan to release to be. I'm waiting for him. Freaking cut my tongue. I know this is Boo. I forgot his name. As But anyhow, she's hot. I like her from Avatar Korra. Sanji. If you haven't got Sanji, you always get the last month as well. OX3D, that are good figure ones as well. This is probably the last one for this video. Um, we have the War Sister Repent. I think the Sisters of Repent has less clothes than that. So you could try doing it this way, but I didn't have a lot more or less clothes if you actually look at the figure for it. But this is for the August release. Do not know what these two are from, but yeah, Barbarian from 3D. I do know that. First Descendant, Bunny. But yeah, that's for 3. I don't know what the loyalty one is for this month as well. Clay Beast Creation. This will be the last one. Good for proxies. So far, it looks like something is riding on Chocobo, and I don't know if it's a Skaven or I know that's an elf, but they usually do proxies for a lot of the stuff, but you might have to look it up. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. I hope you guys do enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.